Freight and Chartering Explained, the money side of shipping. Hello and welcome to C Mayer's Digital Hub, where we simplify the business of shipping. I'm Chris Itekboje, and in today's episode, we'll be exploring the money side of shipping, how freight works, what chartering means, and how ship owners, charterers, and brokers actually make money. Whether you're new to maritime logistics or already managing operations, understanding freight and chartering is key to unlocking profitability in this industry. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to C Mayer's Digital Hub for more maritime insights. Key concepts in maritime freight and chartering. 1. What is freight? Freight is the payment to ship owners for transporting cargo, calculated per ton, per voyage, or per day in time charters, influenced by cargo type, voyage distance, vessel size, and market conditions. 2. Types of charters. Voyage charter, one-time trip, owner pays operating costs. Time charter, fixed period, charterer pays daily hire, owner manages vessel. Bareboat charter, full control to charterer, they handle all costs and crew. 3. Chartering and fixing deals. Brokers connect charterers with ship owners. Rates are negotiated based on market dynamics. A charter party contract formalizes the deal. A deal is fixed when both sides confirm, hence the term the fixture. 4. The money flow. Voyage freight is paid post-loading or on discharge. Time charter hire is paid in advance, 15 to 30 days. Brokers earn approximately 1.25% to 2.5% commission. Ship owners use freight to cover expenses. Profit depends on deal quality. 5. Risks and market dynamics. Freight rates fluctuate with global demand. Risks include weather, delays, and demurrage, penalties for exceeding lay time. Smart operators use tools like marine traffic, OPS 360, and Baltic Exchange indexes. 6. Practical tips for new operators. Know your contracts, especially lay time and demurrage. Work with trustworthy brokers. Dash monitor freight indexes and fuel prices. Budget for all costs before fixing a ship. Communicate clearly to avoid disputes. Final takeaway. Freight and chartering are the heartbeat of shipping profitability. Mastering them means mastering the business of global trade. Stay sharp, stay digital, and keep navigating your success. Subscribe, like, comment, share.